when you going on stairs, by carefully. When you learning, by notice. When you listening, by carefully. When you teaching, by understanding. When you working, by happy. When you praying God, by believing. When you serving God, by fearing. When you talking to other person, by truth. When you communicate each other, by love. Galatoma hiika afaan Ingiliffa kanaa gara afaan Oromootti komantii jalatti barreessaa. Galatoomaa turtii gaarii.